guys, welcome back to the This Is Soul Skate Shop YouTube channel. A lot of people come in the store with dirty skates that need some modification to make them look good again. And this is a problem that I had for a long time, and I think that we need some expert advice on this subject. So here is my Mom, I have a problem and I need your help with this. Okay. There are dirty skates and they need to be cleaned. Can you maybe solve this problem for me?
Why not?
All right,
I'll try.
Let's go.
Okay.
I want dirty inline skates like this to look beautiful again, like this. And there's a couple of aspects that need to be cleaned. One is the scratch marks and the wax and the stripes that are on a white skate like this. Second is that white skates often turn yellow after some time. So maybe we can...
was white?
Yeah.
Mean?
Yes.
Really?
And then third is that there's rust on the eyelids,
yes,
and on some of the
simple
metal parts. And then the last thing is the liner, the inside of the skate. It starts to smell after a while, and I want to know a way to wash this.
I remember the smell when you were at home.
How did you solve the smell issue back then?
It's a difficult problem
Yeah?
because I noticed when you wash it in your washing machine,
Yes.
normal washing machine, it is clean, but it smells
Still smells.
the same.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how to take out the smell?
Yes, perhaps the dishwasher. That I will try again.
Hello everybody, welcome at my home. Do you remember me? I'm Ivo's mom, and today we'll show you how to clean your skates with the help of perhaps your washing machine or dishwasher. We'll see. Now I put the liner in the dishwasher, and I hope bad smell will disappear.
What is a good way to take away the dirty scratch marks and wax marks on a white skate?
Yes, I think that my solution is to take a towel, dip it with your finger like this in water. You take a cleaning sink, kitchen sink stuff, abrasive, yeah. And one drop, rub a little. You go rubbing like this.
Oh, I actually see.
Look, it's immediately more yellow or less black.
That's
you
perfect.
see?
Yeah.
And look, that is the dirt from 2 seconds.
This side of the skate is already pretty clean by hand, but the other side is still awful dirty, and the whole skate I will put in the dishwasher, but at first remove the bearings. Okay, now I'll put the whole skate in the dishwasher and a little bit of soap in it. Well, program, let me see. Yes. Okay, done. Well, the inside is wet and you can clean it, I think, very easily with a towel. And yes, he looks much better, but still yellow.
Okay, when your skate is finished, I think the finishing touches are the eyelids. That's so beautiful when they are not rusty anymore. Oh my dear.
This is a perfect specimen, because this one is absolutely clean and this one became wet.
Oh.
So do you think we can...
terrible.
Yeah.
So...
Do you think we can make these eyelids nice again, just like this?
Yes, it have to. I think it's better to take, yes, you use it for your pannen.
Pots and pans.
Pots and pans.
Yeah.
It's better with water on it. It is soap and it is abrasive, very strong material. So, and you rub very carefully at the eyelid.
Okay.
So, and also a little bit like this.
Yeah.
And a little bit from that one. So altogether it will clean up.
Okay.
It will shine.
Okay.
And then, of course, with a dry towel, rub it dry.
Okay.
So. That's, you see this stripe perhaps?
Yeah, but yeah,
It's gone.
Awesome.
Oh, it's a miracle.
So you have to take a new piece of your towel every time.
Yes, every time.
Yeah.
It will disappear if you try a little bit more. So look, it's from 1 minute. Shiny. It's more shiny.
Oh, nice.
It works. You can see the difference already.
Yeah.
So you have to take your time for this.
All right, perfect. I see that this works, but it still is a little bit yellow. Do you maybe have a solution for that?
We can try to bleach.
So I've put some bleach on a part of the scales and I let it rest for a quarter of an hour. No. Still yellow.
All right, then the last part is the liner.
I've 2 liners here. They are exactly the same, and the left one I will put in the washing machine. Cold color for colors, little powder, so that's enough. Go. And we'll wait 39 minutes.
Can you throw it in the washing machine or maybe the dishwasher, or what is the best solution for that?
Washing machine is ready with the liner in it, so I'll open the door and I'll compare it with the other one that didn't go in the washing machine. I'm walking to the dishwasher now. Will the smell still be there? Huh? No, it's okay. Yes. So, yes, exactly the same size and more clean indeed.
Isn't the washing machine also able to destroy the liner because it throws it?
Yes, that is danger because the height of the temperature mustn't be too high, and better use the wool program, so then it will be gentle and much fluid.
Yeah, that makes sense. Me personally, I never really clean my skates because I always skate black skates and they don't need any cleaning, so that's also a smart solution. The bearings in a skate also get dirty, and some people I know, they kind of like clean their bearings and lubricate their bearings. I have a whole video about bearings, so check that out if you're interested in cleaning your bearings.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, look.
Ivo?
Yeah,
Okay.
sorry.
Thank you guys for watching me, and
I hope you found my tips useful.
I hope you find my tips useful, and see you next week. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe.